The East Khasi Hills police on Friday recovered suspected firearms from 3 vehicles parked near the office of the Superintendent of Police in Shillong. The seized vehicles included an Audi, a Mahindra Bolero and a Toyota Innova. Police said 2 of the vehicles did not have registration numbers and were fitted with tinted windows, while the Bolero carried a valid registration plate bearing number ML05AF0309. Officials confirmed that the vehicles have been detained for verification. An investigation is underway to trace their owners and to determine whether the seized firearms are genuine or replicas.
Gas sudah berfall. Entahlah sunshine. Aircon sudah berfall. Macam. Yes. Hello. Api hamil.